Let's turn these cute Halloween doodles into some adorable painted rocks. We're going to be bouncing between all 4 designs here for dry time reasons. We're going to start off with our ghost. Lay out his body and fill him in white. This is going to take 2 coats, so leave the first one nice and thin. Next, we're going to be moving on to the structure of our candy corn. It's a rounded edge, tall triangle, and then we're going to split it into 3 different color sections: orange, yellow, and white. Next, we're going to lay out our pumpkin. We're going to do 3 ovals laying next to each other on our stone, and then we're going to go ahead and fill those in as well. Last, we're going to start on our little vampire. We're going to place an oval on our stone on its side and fill it in purple. Add on a couple wings on either side, and then come back and add a couple ears along the top of your oval. Like I mentioned before, white's going to need a second coat, so come and lay another coat on top of that. Now let's go and add a stem to our pumpkin. Start by putting the green into those indents and stretching that stem upward. I love adding these little curls on mine. It definitely adds to the cute factor. I always thicken up the curls closest to the stem. You can add one on both sides. This orange also needed a second coat, so I went ahead and did that. Now we're going to start on our lining. This really pulls the designs together and gives them a nice crisp finished look. So we're going to go along the whole outline of our ghost, including the arms. We're going to add on a couple really wide set big black eyes. We're going to give it eyelashes as well, and a couple cute little pink cheeks and a smile. We're going to head back over to our vampire. We're going to outline the entire head. We're going to outline our wings and our ears. And this one was still a little bit wet in the center, so we'll come back to that one in a moment. For our pumpkin, I'm just outlining with a lighter orange paint pen instead of the black. You can go along the entire outline, and then you can divide up the pumpkin sections using the extra fine tip paint pen as well. We're going to do the same thing, really wide set eyes here with a smile in between. We'll come back and add highlights to that in a moment. We're going to go to our vampire and add a widow's peak and fill it in. And we are wrapping all these up so fast with final touches. A couple highlights in our ghost eyes. I like to double dot sometimes depending on the size. If you're double dotting, just dot, dot, dot in the same place a few times to make the bigger dot, and then a single one to the side. On the vampire, we are going to do the wide set eyes and smile. We're going to give the pink cheeks. We are also going to come back in a moment and add some little fangs on there. Same on the candy corn, wide set eyes, smile, and highlights. These are so cute. I hope you enjoy them. If you do, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and follow along for more.